1. Energy efficiency. Is improving the energy efficiency of pump jack operations. This could involve exploring alternative power sources, such as solar or wind power, or incorporating energy recovery mechanisms to capture and reuse wasted energy. 2. Remote monitoring. Pump jacks are often located in remote or difficult-to-access locations, which can make monitoring and maintenance challenging. Developing technologies for remote monitoring and control of pump jacks could improve efficiency and reduce costs. 3. Safety. Pump jack operations can be dangerous, with risks associated with heavy machinery, high-pressure fluids, and other hazards. Developing new safety technologies, such as automated shut-off mechanisms or improved protective equipment, could help reduce the risk of accidents and injuries. The pump jack is typically powered by an electric motor or a diesel engine, and it operates by using a motor-driven crank to lift a heavy rod with attached pump jack components up and down. Pump jacks are a common sight in oil-producing regions around the world, and they are often featured in images and videos depicting the oil industry. The motor or engine provides the power to drive the walking beam, which is connected to the horsehead and pitman arm. As the walking beam moves up and down, the pitman arm pulls the rods and pumps up and down in the well, creating the reciprocating motion necessary to extract oil.